Right, start from right. Right से start करना.
यहाँ पे दुश्मन यहाँ पे.
Second सामने से central. Central side. Central. Side. Central.
Start from right.
Okay, एक minute right.
Start from right. Ma'am, right.
दुश्मन यहाँ पे. दुश्मन यहाँ पे. यहाँ पे.
Okay, bites. नहीं, वो नहीं होगा.
हम लोग निकल जाएंगे.
Bites quick.
अरे वाह, थैंक यू. ओह, थैंक यू सो मच. हमेशा जब मैं रैम्प पे वॉक करती हूँ तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. इट ऑलवेज फील्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग क्योंकि ये फिल्म शॉट नहीं है, यहाँ एक ही टेक होता है, तो जो करना है आपको ठीक से करना पड़ता है. तो इट्स एक्साइटिंग एंड चैलेंजिंग एंड अ लॉट ऑफ फन.
कलेक्शन बेसिकली मिकिनोज आइलैंड सिटी से इंस्पायर्ड है. इट्स रिसॉर्ट वेयर कलेक्शन. इट्स अ रिसॉर्ट वेयर कलेक्शन एंड या दैट्स व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू कैन सी ऑन हर.
ज़्यादा टाइम ना लेते हुए आप लोगों से काफ़ी सवाल जाएगा. फैशन की वैसे तो कई सारे डेफिनेशन है, सबने अपने हिसाब से फैशन का डेफिनेशन दिया है. आप दोनों के लिए फैशन क्या है?
Well, I think most importantly for me, fashion is being comfortable in what you're wearing. और especially मैं अपने बारे में कह सकती हूँ कि I dress for myself. तो जो मुझे अच्छा लगता है, जो मुझे शौक है पहनने का, मैं वो पहनती हूँ. My style funda, my God. Like I said, I think it's about dressing for comfort and dressing to feel good about yourself.
So basically mirror work is something I've always been fond of and I want to incorporate it in some way or the other. So I use it in every collection differently. So that's about it.
Last question.
One last question.
फैशन में कलर्स हमेशा मायने रखते हैं. कलर्स के दिखाए जाते हैं हमेशा. कलर्स के त्योहार भी आने वाले हैं. दोनों का हमेशा.
हाँ जी, मैं बस ये कहूँगी कि मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा ये ड्रेस पहन के, बिकॉज आई थिंक इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल शेड एंड इवन दो इट्स अ लाइट कलर, इट्स अ वेरी फेस्टिव द आउटफिट. सो ऑन दैट नोट आई जस्ट लाइक टू विश एवरीवन अ वेरी हैप्पी एंड सेफ होली.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna do a.
Start from right. Start from right. सामने देखिए मैम, सामने सेंटर. Both of you start from right.
अच्छा, we need to push.
Both of you start from right. Straight. Yeah.
अरे यहाँ पे.
Ma'am, center. Excuse me, your center.
So just starting from right.
That's fine. One more here, ma'am. Center. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am.
आराम से पीछे pushing नहीं. Video pushing नहीं. Okay, thank you. Bites, please. Bites. हाँ जी, चलो ठीक. चलो bites. 1, 2, 3.
सजना अभी जा, आप काफी शाय और ब्लश कर रही थी, क्या कहना चाहिए? और कॉस्ट्यूम भी कुछ ऐसा ही था कि
मैं क्या कहूँ, ये सिर्फ मेकअप का कमाल है भाई. All the blushing. I don't know, I feel like a princess, I feel lovely. This outfit is beautiful and I was really scared when I was walking because it's white and it's big and it's grand and I was so afraid of getting it dirty and stepping on it, but I think it's brilliant. I think Anushrie's done a fabulous job. I'm really happy that she chose me to be a very big part of her show and I'm really happy to be wearing this right now.
गजरा की बात. गजरा, हाँ.
Actually, I wanted to kind of bring back the old world charm. So this look that I've done is pretty much vintage classic couture. So adding the gajra to it because I've used a lot of Zardosi and it's a very, Hyderabadi, old city sort of a theme and a feel. So I thought a gajra would kind of just give that extra ambience and feel. So that's the reason.
So the idea behind using the bow.
The bow. I love the bow. Normally we see all gifts, everything that come in a bow. I think it's so beautiful and just that one strand knotted up can create so much drama. So I was like, why not introduce it into classical Indian wear, which was a challenge because it's a very Western concept. When you look at a bow, it's a Western concept. So fusing that and this is what I sort of tried to do.
तो इलाना आपका भी कोई इनपुट रहा आपके इस
Absolutely not. I think this is all Anushri. I've trusted her completely, and I think it's really worked because I think I look fantastic. The gajra is beautiful. It's a lovely touch. I forgot to mention, and I smell fantastic too.
इट्स हैवी और कितना वजन होगा बताइए आप?
Check कर लीजिए आप.
अब समझ नहीं आएगा आप कैसा फील कर रही हो?
It's quite a bit, but I think it feels really nice when you're walking through it. It's definitely a wearable outfit. I mean, you can definitely wear something like this, but it's not something you can wear every day. So, you know, for one of those grand occasions when you want to feel like a princess.
अनुश्री, आप दोनों से पूछना चाहूँगा, वैसे तो फैशन की डेफिनेशन कई सारे हैं, बहुत से लोगों ने अपने हिसाब से डेफिनेशन दी फैशन की, आपके हिसाब से फैशन क्या है दोनों के हिसाब?
According to me, I think fashion is what you define your own sort of fashion, and fashion is very sort of, I don't know, I mean, diverse, you know, depends on everybody. So I think for me, I define my own sort of fashion. Somebody else can have a fashion statement of their own, and it's not, there's no set rule for me as far as fashion
One
goes.
last question.
एक में है, एक में नहीं है, कुछ गड़बड़ है.
Hang on,
इलाना?
hold on. She needs to answer the question. 1 second. About fashion. Yeah, sorry.
Okay. According to me, like fashion is basically
Center.
fashion's what you can sort of you feel yourself in, but at the same time you're with it. So you know, I personally believe when you're fashionable, you need not make too much of an effort. It should just kind of all fall in place, and it should come from within. It should go with your personality, what you're trying to portray.
So इलाना ये जो ले किया कान कुछ तो गड़बड़.
I think I pull it off. I think it's really nice, and it sort of goes. I really like it. I like the fact that you can
That's the look.
explain it.
That's
Yeah.
the look. It's just one-sided and with a big thing, and one is a stud. So we kind of try to create.
Okay, one last.
लाइक में काफ़ी कलरफुल रहता है, काफ़ी कलरफुल हम लोगों को कलेक्शन देखने को मिलता है, एंड साथ ही होली भी काफ़ी कलरफुल होती है. तो आ रही है होली आ रही है, तो हम आपके प्लान जानना चाहेंगे, साथ ही आप आपके दर्शकों को विशेष चाहिए.
Well, yes, I wish everybody a very happy and safe Holi. Please use